Today I'm going to share step into your full power. The world truly needs you right now, and don't underestimate yourself that what one person can do, right? So don't think about that, all right? Don't be a selfish person. If you're a light worker, if you're a spiritual entrepreneur, world truly needs you right now. So I see like a lot of people in our community are totally killing it, and you guys are happy and spreading love and kindness. I'm very happy about it, but the world truly needs more kindness, more love, right? So you guys are full of love and kindness, so it's a time to go ahead and show the world what light workers can do and what truly spiritual entrepreneur can do, right? It's a time when world truly needs you right now. And also I want to say that stay in love, choose love, all right? So you guys are doing great, and it's very important for us to go ahead and step into light, right, and spread our light all over the universe, right? So it's very important right now. We all know world is going through so many challenges right now. Many people are feeling scared, many people are feeling lonely, many people have a lot of fears coming up, right? So see how you can go ahead and help someone right now. It's not a time where you go ahead and think about like, you know, what you can take for somebody, right? It's a time for all of you to see what you can give to someone, right? How you can go ahead and help someone, right? So go ahead and step into your full power, and whatever you give back in universe, it come back to you, all right? That's a law of karma. So see how you can go ahead and help someone, right? So never underestimate yourself, and don't think that you like what your positivity or love or kindness can do, because world truly need love, kind and peaceful people right now, right? So if you meditate daily, you work out daily, and you are truly happy right now, that's wonderful. But right now you need to go ahead and step into your mission as well. If you're already working on your mission, that's really wonderful. So keep going, keep doing that, right? And it's a time for you to go ahead and shine. And if you are a black woman, it's a time for you to go ahead and you know, address your community, because we don't want like any other person to get killed, or you know, like I don't think so that like riots or fighting or killing someone is a solution. So you can go ahead and share your message, whatever your message is, whatever your opinion is, how people can go ahead and stay peaceful, calm and positive in this situation. So whatever your message is, share in your communities, all right? And be the queen which you are truly are, right? So it's very important right now to step into your power. And so, and like if you're a light worker, it's the world truly needs you right now, and because the world need your love, kindness, and the world truly needs more than ever, because I see like a lot of people are facing a lot of challenges right now. So see how you can go ahead and help someone. Don't